Welcome to Fast Lane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance computing, or HPC. This powerful technology has revolutionized the way we process data, making complex calculations and simulations possible in record time. So let's take a closer look at the architecture, clusters, and use cases of HPC. First, let's define what HPC is. Simply put, it's the use of supercomputers and high-speed networks to solve complex problems. These problems could range from weather forecasting and drug discovery to financial modeling and even space exploration. With the ever-increasing need for data processing and analysis, HPC has become an essential tool for industries such as research, finance, and engineering. Now let's talk about the architecture of HPC. At its core, HPC is made up of clusters, which are groups of interconnected computers, working together as a single system. These clusters are made up of nodes, which are individual computers with their own processors and memory. The key to HPC's high performance lies in the parallel processing capabilities of these clusters. This means that multiple processors can work on different parts of a problem simultaneously, significantly reducing the time it takes to complete a task. So, what are some use cases for HPC? Well, as mentioned earlier, HPC is used in various industries for complex calculations and simulations. For example, in the automotive industry, HPC is used for crash simulations and aerodynamic analysis, allowing for the design and testing of cars without the need for physical prototypes. In the healthcare industry, HPC is used for drug discovery and medical imaging, helping to improve patient care and save lives. And in the finance industry, HPC is used for high-frequency trading and risk analysis, enabling traders to make split-second decisions and manage their portfolios more effectively. Now, if you're a tech-savvy individual looking to take your skills to the next level, HPC is definitely an area worth exploring. With its wide range of applications and growing demand, it's a valuable skill to have in today's job market. And lucky for you, Fastlane offers comprehensive HPC training courses led by industry experts. So whether you're looking to break into the field or enhance your current skills, we've got you covered. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more, and thank you for watching. Remember, HPC is the future of data processing, and with the right training, you can be a part of it. See you in the next video.